Okay. Why is my camera is not focused?
Hold on. It might be dirty. Let me see.
Okay, there.
Is it better?
Yeah, it's better. Okay, guys. So it's New Year's Eve. Right now it's literally like 10 p.m. It's like, for the exact time it is, yeah, it's 9:16 right now. Gonna stay up till New Year's, obviously. Gonna stay up to 2020. Obviously, new decade. I'm like super amped still. We got out of the hot tub a few minutes ago, so I'm playing on my Xbox. I'm over at my grandpa's house. My house is right there. So my dad's gonna load up some fireworks. Yeah, boys. If you look on my main channel, if you find my main channel, I'll try and link it in the description. But it has stuff from New Year's. In the videos, it actually has the friend I'm playing with on Xbox in it.
Hey,
What? Mom.
when you're doing this bit,
Okay.
you're not recording well and you're going to make people sick.
Okay. So we're setting off fireworks. I know it's dark. Oh, my grandpa turned off the light.
So you can see fireworks.
Yeah, good.
Can you see
Okay,
that?
it's like really dark.
You just going to stay there?
Oh, God, it's like really cold right now. Well, then again, don't have my robe all the way on. Here we go, guys. Fireworks! Woo! Fireworks! Not real fireworks, but those ones that, house safe. The ones that you set off. Sparklers, whatever you call them. I'm like really cold right now.
I like the
I'm
green.
literally you got nothing on. Oh god, guys. There's another one right there. My dad's saying it off. That one's going off. I don't know if you guys can hear me because how loud they crack. The actual explosives are. I don't know, okay, that one died out. Time for that one. Light it up, Dad.
I'm trying.
Just trying. It's a little breathy.
It's kind of hard to fire it up. Just like last year. Coming into 2019 on New Year's, we had trouble. It was so windy.
Let me borrow your lighter.
It was raining last year.
It was raining last year on New Year's. We tried setting off fireworks. It was really heavily raining though. So we only set off half of them. The ones we're setting off right now are actually left over from 2018 coming into 2019. Oh god, I'm so cold right now, guys. I'm freezing. Okay, here we go.
Huh?
Here we go. Now it's setting off. Didn't you set something on fire once with fireworks? How many did we bring?
5.
5? Oh jeez, guys, I'm backing up. Oh jeez! Oh my god! Oh jeez! Are you seeing this? Oh my god! Did you see that? It literally flew all the way up there! Oh jeez! Jeez, I need to button up my jacket. Mom, could you hold the... Look at the fireworks. I need one. Ah. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Okay. Here we go, guys. I'm still super cold, so keep me warm.
Well, you should have put some clothes on.
I have my jacket on, my robe on. Here we go.
Well,
That
that
was-
was a dud.
That died out so quickly.
Oh, wait.
Wait. Is it like resetting? Do these things have a reset feature? Wait a minute. Light that thing again. We got infinite fireworks. Yeah, we... Okay, those definitely have a reset feature.
Reset switch?
Yeah, let me go and look for that on that.
No.
How many have we done? 3, 4?
We got 2 left.
Okay.
It is really cold out here. How you are not freezing in those wet trunks.
I shall dance.
When you go back inside, put your jeans on and your shirt, please.
But I'm probably gonna get back in the hot tub.
No, you're not.
Why am I not?
You have to turn it off.
Oh. Last year, did one of our fireworks explode the other?
Like our very own Biscay Park, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, one last one.
Okay, guys, it's been 7 minutes. This is our last firework. Let's make it count. My dad's putting it down. I know it's like, it's literally like 30 degrees right now. Tuesday, December 31st, 9:23. Okay. Are you gonna light it? Okay. Okay, move back. I hear it starting to crack.
You hear the light.
Never mind, I heard the back. Okay, move.
He is. There's no desire to catch on fire.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, I told you to move back. That's pretty cool.
What?
That was
That
trash.
was kind of weak.
That one sucked.
Yes, it did.
I'm gonna go look for the reset switch.
No,
No.
it's done.
Really?
Camera off.
I'm going inside.
All right, here's your lighter.
Okay, guys, we're going inside. Bye. Okay. Okay, guys, let's go inside. Okay, guys, we're inside. Those fireworks were pretty cool, you know. I got my Xbox set up. It's my friend Sylvan. Okay, my friend Sylvan. Oh, jeez. Okay. Okay. I'll update you in a few, guys.